The fifth and final principle is to over-deliver in your content. Don't just do all of the first four principles, but give them even more than they expected when they showed up. And that means that giving them extra pieces of content, extra information, whatever it is they didn't know that they wanted. So in the case of the fasting article, when they get to the end, I actually have a PDF for them that they can download that gives them kind of a step-by-step, day-by-day guide to doing their own fast. All they have to do is click on it, and then it'll immediately take them to the document. See, downloaded right here to my computer. It doesn't require an email sign up or anything. They just get it. This is a really easy way to over-deliver and give them additional information. You can also do that just in the article itself. So you'll notice that I mentioned some of my activity during it. So I had this like daily activity information. That's a good way of over-delivering. Any additional information you can provide helps, but so does some of the narrative and the story. So if you can make it easy to read and so they want to engage and keep going through your article, that's another easy way of over-delivering instead of just giving them a bulleted list. You can also give them tools or free resources like I did with the runway calculator. So if we go to nataliason.com, runway calculator, I talk about this idea of figuring out how much money you need in order to kind of quit your job and go travel the world and do that indefinitely. And the way I did that was I actually give away a spreadsheet. So if they click on this link, it opens up a free spreadsheet that they can just copy and use. Again, no email address or anything. And this is a really easy way to get people excited, get them to share your content, and then eventually get it ranked. The more you can give away, the more you can over-deliver in your content, the easier it will be to get it ranked. So figure out ways that you can surprise the reader by giving them bonus information, bonus resources that make them tell their friends about it or keep coming back to it in the future. Those are the 5 principles, and now we're going to dive into 2 more additional important elements in order to create content that Google really, really loves.